Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius maintenance light. This handy guide will help you clear that maintenance required message from your dashboard quickly and easily. You can perform this simple procedure right at home, saving you time and potentially money on unnecessary mechanic visits. Let's get started with the first step to clear that light and keep your vehicle's reminders up to date. First, let's prepare your Prius. For models with a push-button start, press the power button twice without touching the brake pedal. This turns on the electronics without starting the engine. If you have a key ignition, turn it to the on position. Next, locate your ODO/trip button and press it repeatedly until your main odometer mileage is displayed, not trip A or trip B. This is a crucial step for the reset to work correctly. Now let's perform the reset. With the odometer showing, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, press and hold down the ODO/trip button. While still holding this button, turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes appear on your display, which will then disappear one by one, followed by all zeros. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once you see all zeros displayed on your odometer, you can release the ODO/trip button. The maintenance required light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. Remember, this light is a reminder for scheduled service, typically every 5,000 miles for an oil change. Always ensure you've completed the necessary maintenance before resetting the light to keep your Prius running smoothly and efficiently. Congratulations, you've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.